So we are asked to form the ternary sequences of length 10 having 2 zeros, 3 ones and 5 twos. So this particular set will form a multi-set. So the number of required ternary sequences, the number of permutations of this multi-set. So the required number of ternary sequences is the number of permutations of the multi-set. So the multi-set is 2, 0, then you have 3, 1 and 5 twos. So that is equal to P of 10. Then you have R1, R2 upon 2, 3, 5. So this is in the form of second result. So you'll have 10 factorial by 2 factorial into 3 factorial into 5 factorial. So upon simplifying, you will get 2520. So this is the required number of permutations. And let us see one more example. Okay. So the second problem is find the number of ways to pave a 1/7 rectangle by 1/1, 1/2 and 1/3 blocks, assuming the blocks are of same size, assuming that the blocks of same size are indistinguishable. So the problem is you need to form a 1/7 rectangle. Now for forming the 1/7 rectangle, you can use blocks which are of the size 1 and 1/2 blocks or 1/3 blocks. അപ്പം നമുക്ക് 1/7 rectangle ഉണ്ടാക്കണമെങ്കിൽ നമുക്ക് പല കോമ്പിനേഷൻസ് യൂസ് ചെയ്യാം. അപ്പം 1/1 ബ്ലോക്ക് എനിക്ക് 7 പ്രാവശ്യം ഉപയോഗിക്കാം. ഇനി 1/2 ബ്ലോക്ക് 2 പ്രാവശ്യം ഉപയോഗിക്കാം. Then use this block once, 3 times and this once, and this one 2 times and this one once. So there are different ways of forming a 1/7 rectangle. So all of these different cases gives rise to different multi-set. Appo nan 7 1/1 edukkunnengi we are, so if I am defining my blocks to be B1, B2, B3, so I have to repeat block 1 7 times. Ni nammal rendamathe parnale you can take 1 B1, then 3 B2. അതുപോലെ you can take 1 B1, then I can take 2 B3. So these different arrangements or these different multi-sets give rise to a 1/7 rectangle. First we will identify which are multi-sets we can form so that we can form a 1/7 rectangle using the blocks B1, B2 and B3. എന്നിട്ട് ആ multi-sets എത്ര arrangements possible ആണെന്ന് നോക്കുക. So by adding up all the values, we will get the required number of pavements. Okay. So let us see the solution. So let B1, B2, B3 represent the blocks of size 1/1, 1/2 and 1/3 respectively. Then the possible choices of blocks to form a 1/7 rectangle will be, so rectangle is, so first one is, so you can take 7b1, so this is the first multi-set. Then you can take 5b1 and b2, so not putting 1 here, so b2 that means it is 1 time. Then the third one is, you can take 4b1 and b3, and then you can take 3b1 and 2b2, and fifth case is 2b1, then there is a dot here, 2b1, b2 and b3. Then sixth case is, you can take b1 and 3b2, and seventh one is, you can take b1 and 2b3, and eighth one is, you can take 2b2 b3. So these are the different possible choices. Now the number of permutations of each multi-set is, so for the first one it will be about the 7b1 ആണ് 7b1 in the, so you will have 7 factorial by 7 factorial. So these are the total number of objects, and these are this is r factorial, and you have only r1 factorial. 7 objects ആണ്, 7 objects identical objects ആണ്, so there is only one such arrangement. And for the second one, that is 5b1 b2, so again you will have 6 factorial by 5 factorial total objects count cheya, so 6 factorial by 5 factorial, so that is equal to 6. For the third one, it is 5 factorial by 4 factorial varum, so that is equal to 5. Then fourth one you have again 5 by 3 factorial by 2 factorial, so 5 factorial by 3 factorial by 2 factorial, so that is equal to 10. Then fifth one, you have 4 factorial by 2 factorial, so that is equal to 12. And sixth one is 4 factorial by 3 factorial, so that is equal to 4. Seventh one, you will get 3 factorial by 2 factorial, so that is equal to 3. And again eighth one, again 3 factorial by 2 factorial, so that is equal to 3. So therefore the required number of ways will be equal to the sum of all this, so you'll get 1 plus 6 plus 5 plus 10 plus 12 plus 4 plus 3 plus 3, so which is equal to 44. So the number of rectangles which can be formed which is of size 1/7 is 44 using the blocks b1, b2, b3.